I'm Jeff Smith, brand leader with M&M Home Remodeling Services. Yeah, so this award, what it's for, we're Master Elite with GAF, which is their highest distinction for contractors. Got to meet all sorts of different criteria and make sure that we're not only installing the correct amount of squares, we're offering a certain amount of warranties, we're doing a certain level of volume, and we're doing all that at a high level. And so to be Master Elite is a pretty big accomplishment in itself. Over and above that, though, there's something that they have called the President's Club Award, which we're really honored and humbled to win for a number of years now in a row. And so GF's a great partner, and we've been using them for a very long time, and we're happy to receive something like this. What this award does for M&M, I think it goes back to what we spoke about a little bit ago in terms of peace of mind. I think customers understand that when a manufacturer backs a contractor and says, hey, no, trust me, trust us, this contractor will do right by you, and they're going to offer you a really high level of service. They're going to do right. They're honest, they're trustworthy, they're going to do the right thing. I think it carries a lot of weight. It's one thing if we say it. We've been around for almost 50 years, which is awesome and kind of speaks for itself. And we have that reputation in Chicagoland for sure. But when manufacturers, GAF included, go out of their way to also say and highlight, hey, this company is going to do right by you, I think it just adds to that peace of mind for the customer. They know that they're backed by a really reputable contractor and a national brand like GAF. It really does a lot for them. This award, it definitely sets us apart from the competition because there's only a couple percentage of roofing contractors in the entire country that are Master Elite certified, and then only a fraction of those win the President's Club Award. And so, we're a fraction of a fraction in terms of winning this award and being recognized for these accomplishments. And so that alone sets us apart from many of the contractors around. In Chicagoland, there's really not many. Probably can count on a hand or two how many actually achieved this award. And so really proud of that. It's something that we are honored again to earn, and we'll continue to do it year after year. But it's something that homeowners definitely appreciate when we go in the home and we talk to them about a quality roof system. It's tied a little bit to what I mentioned as far as peace of mind. I think, if you were to ask 100 different customers, what are they most interested in? I think, having an honest, trustworthy company do it. I think craftsmanship and quality is important, and price is important too. Usually not most important, but people are conscious of the price point. And so I think an award like this, it allows us to demonstrate to homeowners that, hey, if you have the highest quality manufacturing partner, you got the highest quality, roofing contractor you can find, and they do it at a fair price point, that gives people peace of mind knowing that when they put on one of the biggest investments they'll ever make in their life, which is a roof purchase, they have peace of mind knowing it's gonna serve them well for a long time.